two alpha titans.
Who bows to who?
Kong bows to no one.
The world needs Kong.
There's something provoking into war.
All right, guys, what is going on? We are here at Maple Grove Raceway. We're not at Cecil. We're not, obviously, ACCO's closed. We're here at Maple Grove Raceway Sunday morning. Trying to make another pass in the truck. We have not made a clean pass in a year. It's very upsetting to me. But we are having a tune. What we did do this time, instead of just running out to the track and trying different tunes, we were running it on the street in our four-wheel drive and testing out the new tunes that way. As of right now, it is making the shift. I don't know if it's going to happen at the track, but on the street in four-wheel drive, it was making the shift, launching it. Everything was going very, very good, and did a bunch of hits in the street, and it was making the shift. Like I said, I don't know exactly if it's going to do it at the track. We have another tune to put on if it doesn't make the shift. If it does make the shift, bam, we are good, and we can go from there. We can start progressing into getting it faster. Because again, right now, I don't know. I don't plan on running a 10 right now because we had to detune it a little bit on the first gear. That is the main thing. So I don't expect to go out and run it. If I do, that'd be great. I just want to get a clean A to B pass, see what's going on, and get good data from there. Hopefully, like, even though with clean A to B pass, the thing's going to run basically an 11.0 to a 10, whatever. I don't even know, but it's going to run good as long as it's clean, guys. So I'm going to get out there, get that first pass in, see what happens. And we got some vehicles here, and if everything goes good, we might be able to call out some cars, get some races going, and get some good content for you guys. So let's get that first pass, guys, and let's go from there.
Racers, you are on standby.
We hooked up pretty good. Everything seemed really good. Let's see what the pass was. I think the draggy said 11.0. I think that's what that draggy said. My heart's racing because I don't know if it wasn't 11.0. It felt really good. And we will see. Thank you very much. 11.041, guys. We did really good. Highest mile an hour ever. But I'm happy with an 11.0. We made a good A to B pass. And we're 60 foot is a 1.6. You can tell that's detuned. Big time detuned, which is okay. But I'm happy with that pass, guys. And we're gonna damn, look at that mile an hour. Good mile an hour. Very happy. Very happy with that 11.041. So we'll go to the pits. We got to wait a little bit to be called. Like I said, I finally made an A to B pass. It definitely is detuned on the hit. I can feel it in the truck, but we're making passes and we're making progress, guys. So very happy with this. We're going to get back out there and get another run, guys. All right, guys, we are going to run second run Whipple F150. Now, why don't you tell us something what's going on with the truck?
It's the XLC 2019 F150, Gen 5, 3.0 Whipple, 3.5 pulley, JD Performance fuel system on E85. That's about it. Wheels and tires, traction bars.
20-inch wheels, I saw. Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, just 20-inch, big 20-inch wheels. He's full weight.
Full weight. 5,600 pounds.
5,600 pounds full weight, yeah. She's heavy. So the only, I'm on pump gas, he's on the 85. I am running a little bit more boost, and you're running E85, so kind of like, what'd you say, about 12 pounds of boost, 11, 12?
11 or 12.
Okay, I'm around 12 or 13, depending. Like 13 I'm peaking at. Yeah, that's on pump gas, yeah.
That's wild.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we can't do that over here with these.
Nah. So, we're both ran 11.0 our first pass.
Yep.
We're going to get a run in our second pass. I'll show my truck over there in a second, but yeah, we're going to get a run in and see how it goes. Like I said, we just both ran 11.0, trying to get that 10.9 today.
Hell yeah.
I think we're both going to get it. Hopefully we get it this run. Should be a good race. 3.0 Whipple, 2.9 Ram Whipple. show my truck over here.
Oh, you definitely know it's back. You got the nasty and everything.
All right, guys, if you're new to my channel, this is my truck here. Ram 1500, 2.9 Whipple. He's got a 3.0 Whipple. We are on the 325 pulley, which puts out, on mine, it peaked at a 13.5 PSI. This is a fully built motor, fully forged. It's a 6.4, not a 5.7. We did get a bigger, low compression. You know, we are ready to rock. We still are on pump gas. We are on a D-tune, and we still went 11.0, but we're going to run him because he's on the running 11.0 and have a good race, guys. So, yeah, hopefully we get a good race with this F-150.
Top. We now need you to 7 and 8, please. Super Street should be a 1 and 2. Supercharger a 5 and 6. And now we need
Excuse me real quick. You're good, man. You're good. Guys, we did another pass. Looked like another 11.0 on the draggy. See what it says. We did take out the F150. See what he has to say. But I think we may, let's see what's going on here, fellas, too. I want to get this slip, and I want to, there's a scale here also. Let's see what we're weighing on the scale. How you doing? Is that scale working? Yeah. All right, thank you. Did you? Yeah, I saw you were not on me. I had you off the line, and I was like, there's 11.0s. We should have been right there. Yeah. It's all right, man. Running again, baby. We'll get it. I'm not a 10 yet either, so I feel bad. My shit was slower, too. I'm going to see what this thing weighs. All right, guys, let's go see on the scales what we are weighing. Let me check this scale out before we do anything. Let's see here.
1:45 it says.
All right, guys, we had the race. He was a little slower than he expected. What happened there, man?
Too much RPM. I didn't really load it right, and I ended up wheel hopping with all 4 tires. So
Yeah.
that was not a good time. But I don't know. Like you said, higher DA, it's a little more muggy out.
It did get a little muggier out. Now it's raining, so you know the
Yeah.
DA is definitely going up because you know the humidity with the rain.
I mean, there's always next time, right?
Exactly, man. A good race. Appreciate it. You know, I'll have the video up. Follow my incredible HEMI. You know what? You got it. Okay. All right, you getting out of here, though? Well?
Yeah.
All right, boss. Have a good one. Good race, and I'll catch you on the next one. All right, guys. That's the race we had with the F150. We took them out. We took the W against a boosted F150. And I'm very happy with how the truck's running right now. We did go a little slower on the 60-foot, but I'm not too worried about that because, like I said, we're detuned in first gear to make some clean passes. We're at 211.0s. We do have more powerful tunes coming. As long as we get that, we're going to get 10s all day, guys. So I don't know if I'm going to get another pass. Like I said, it started drizzling, and everyone's heading out of here. So I'm not too sure what I'm doing yet, guys. But we'll go back to the truck and see what's going on with this rain and weather, if they're going to cancel or let us keep going too. All right, guys, we're on our way back from the track. Sorry, sun's in my eye. I would say it was successful. I had a very good day. I was happy with today. The only thing that we lost on was the 60-foot, obviously, because we're, like I said, we're detuned big time in first gear, but we're making the shift. So what me and Jay were talking about is we're going to just see how much it can take until it doesn't, you know what I mean? So how much more we can add back in on that 60-foot and get it back to where it was, because our best 60-foot's 149. And that was on the conservative 93 tune. We were on a more powerful tune for overall timing and stuff. So hopefully we can start adding some timing back in and seeing how much do we get our 60-foot back. Because if we would have 60'd what we did before, we would have easily went 10.8, 10, maybe possibly a 10.7 on the first run. Maybe, you know, we almost 2 tenths. 10th and a half-ish, you know, so yeah, we could have possibly got a 10.8, definitely I think a 10.8, maybe a 10.7, maybe I would have put the moon tune on. We did have the hot tune we didn't put on yet. We're definitely going to be putting that on next time and see how much we can go. So, like I said, 11.04, I'm very happy, very happy with the way it ran, and we beat an F150, a boosted, a supercharged Whipple F150. Like me, he's 4 doors, 4-wheel drive. He was heavier. I had some weight out, but, you know, they're aluminum, so got to do something. And I didn't even know he was going to be there, so it's not like I had a grudge race set up. So, good run there. He was on the 85, too. We're still on pumpkins. And we're similar boost guys. The only difference is I'm a little bit lighter. He's probably making more power. But very good day, very good. Had fun, and hopefully get back to the track possibly next weekend. And do even better, guys. So talk to you soon. Have a good one, and yeah, peace.